Yes, student, bond angle in HEH. E represent center atom. Getting? So here you can see, let E is a center atom having 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is what? 6 electron. Now, when it forms bond with the 2 hydrogen, so there will be 2 bond pair and there will be what? 2 lone pair. Due to very high repulsion between lone pair and also repulsion between lone pair and bond pair. Okay, the bond angle is lesser than what? Regular tetrahedral. Now, the regular tetrahedral has bond angle what? 109 degree 28 minute. So, its bond angle will be lesser. Like here, the all hydrides will have lesser bond angle as compared to 109 degree 28 minute. If we replace E by our first molecule what? Water, then there will be 2 bond pair and there will be what? 2 lone pairs. Therefore, the high repulsion takes place. Moreover, the oxygen is more electronegative. Therefore, the electrons are shifted partially towards oxygen. Thus, around oxygen, that is center atom, the electron density is very high. Due to this very high electron density, the bond pair repulsion is very high. Thus, the bond angle is very less as compared to 109 degree 28 minute, that is 104.5 degree. But student, if we replace E by SACTE like element, then what? This sulfur shows less electronegativity. Second one, bond length between SH. Like here, suppose if I draw S, now the bond length is little higher. Okay, and it is not so electronegative. Therefore, the electron shifting not takes place. Thus, the electron pair remains very far from each other. Therefore, there is what? Less repulsion. And being there is less repulsion, therefore what? The bond angle is little decreases and it becomes 92.8 degree only. Okay, for rest of the element, as the bond length increases and the differences in electronegativity decreases, the bond angle also decreases. Thus, we can say the H2O has very high bond angle as compared to the H2S. Next property is thermal stability. Student, it is also one of the very important property. On the basis of it, we can explain the other properties. What is the meaning of thermal stability? Thermal stability, that is H2E on breaking applied heat should convert into H2 plus E2. Okay, this is called thermal what? Stability. In case of water, okay, size is very small. Size is very small. OH, bond length is shorter. Bond length is shorter. Hence have high bond dissociation enthalpy. Bond dissociation enthalpy. Actually, student, this is the chemical property. Here, the breaking down of bonds takes place, and being breaking down of bond takes place, therefore, the bond dissociation enthalpy plays very important role. Hence, bond dissociation enthalpy is high. So, require high energy to break down. So, require high thermal energy. Thermal energy. One more thing act here what? In water only. Only means if compared to other hydrides of same group, only intermolecular hydrogen bonding is also exist. Intermolecular what? Hydrogen bonding is also present. That means what? Now the two factors favors which one? Bond dissociation enthalpy is high, and second one, intermolecular attraction force is also present. So two factor work So its thermal stability is very high. Thermal stability is what? High. And high means what? 2000 Kelvin temperature, 1200 Kelvin temperature approx required. Okay, this is about thermal stability. Thus we can say the H2O is most thermal stable as compared to the rest of the H2S, H2Se and H2Pe, etc. Okay, now on the basis of it, we can explain the next property. The next property is what? Reducing agent. Reducing agent. Reducing agent means tendency to break down again He bond. E what? H bond. Okay, so EH bond length increases, read it, increases. Okay, down the group, so easy to break what? EH bonds. EH bond, so bond dissociation enthalpy is lesser or say decreases. Hence reducing nature down the group increases. Nature down the group increases. That is what we can say. H2O, then H2 what? H2O is least reducing agent, more is H2S, then more is H2Se, and then the strong reducing agent, okay, I am writing here, increases. That means what? H2O is least reducing agent, then what? H2S, then what? H2Se, and the most what? H2Pe. So it is what? Reducing character in increasing order. Okay, next one, acidic nature. Acidic nature. Student, again, acidic nature, again it depends on EH polarity, and what? Bond dissociation enthalpy. So down the group EH bond length increases, so bond dissociation enthalpy decreases, and bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. Therefore what? Releasing of H becomes easier. Hence acidic nature is what? H2O is least acidic, while H2S is more, H2Se is more, and H2Pe is most acidic in nature. The same as a reducing property.